The Cambridge diet was developed by Dr. Alan Howard at Cambridge University in the 1970s, and was launched as a commercial product in the US in 1980 followed by the UK in 1984. It involves followers buying a range of meal replacement products which are said to promote rapid weight loss. Users can choose from 6 flexible diet plans ranging from 415 calories to 1,500 calories or more a day, depending on your weight loss goal. The bars, soups, porridge and shakes can be used as your sole source of nutrition or together with low-calorie regular meals. The Cambridge diet is an extreme weight loss plan. So this is all about Cambridge diet. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.